Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to lock and hide WhatsApp chats. And basically what you're gonna do first, you're gonna just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. In order to get that feature, you need to update your WhatsApp to the latest version so you can actually get access to all the new features. Next up, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up the WhatsApp Messenger. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and enter the chat that you want to hide. Let's say for example, I'm gonna just go ahead to this chat. Right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click on their name or phone number at the top, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down. You will see multiple settings, and you're gonna see right here the last option, lock chat and hide it in your device. Just toggle it on and confirm it with the Face ID, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back, all right, and you're gonna see that this chat is locked and you can't find it except right here, and you're gonna click on the lock chat and you'll be able to see the lock chats within the WhatsApp. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.